Good morning, guys. So today we got an early start as we're beginning our journey on the Ho Chi Minh Trail. We left Salavan early this morning and we're heading, right now we're on our way to Ta Oi. We'll see what we can get there, maybe a little breakfast brunch, and then head onward. It'll be a road that's heading towards the Vietnamese border, but we'll then turn off of it on a dirt road heading north, connecting to another Vietnamese border road. We're not sure of the road conditions, so we try to leave early to leave us ample time to find a place to stop. So after we go on the dirt road, we'll be heading towards a place called Muang Nong. And we'll see what time we arrive at Muang Nong and then decide if we go further. We can push further past Muang Nong onto a place called Dong. And Dong, they have a war museum. So like I said, we'll just kind of play it by ear today. If we get there early afternoon, we'll check out the war museum and then head onward to Saipon, or maybe stay in Dong. If not, we can also stay in Muang Nong. So our plans are kind of open, just depending how the day goes, because we're unsure of the terrain. It should be a simple dirt road. It is the Ho Chi Minh Trail, so we're hoping to see all kinds of things and take pictures and stop along the way and take our time as well. So it's nice that we have options of places to stay. Of course, none of them are all crazy. But anyway, this is our first stop today. Here behind us, we have these storage houses that they keep to store grains or rice or just things for later on. But these storage houses are actually made with bomb casings. Well, the legs of the storage house. So bombs from the old U.S. war, Vietnam War, when they were bombing the Ho Chi Minh Trail. So see, those are the bomb casings here. Let me see if I can get a little closer, and I'll show you. So they took the old bomb shells. So these bombs would have carried cluster bombs or any type of these small, I guess they would be classified as mines. And it would just open up, these shells would open up and just lay out all these cluster bombs. But now they've used them as poles for their little storage houses. But anyway, so that was the first stop. I'm sure we'll see a lot of that along the way, and hopefully we see some other cool things. I'm hoping to find like some tanks or military equipment and whatnot. But let's get back on the road.
Decided not to stop for lunch. Instead, we just got these little donuts. I only really wanted like 2 of them, but she gave me 1, 2. She gave me 6. 5,000 tip, which is like 50 cents. What a deal, bargain of the day.
What's up, guys? So we're here in Muang Nong. We checked into our hotel probably around 1 o'clock. We were gonna kind of explore the area around here or continue onward, but Sophie's got one of her really bad migraines today, so we just checked in, we grabbed a little food, and we've just kind of been hanging out in the hotel. There's not really much going on around this, well, in this town. Around the town there's like this big 300-meter bamboo bridge, but it's like 20 kilometers away from here. I doubt we'll go see it today. I mean, she's still kind of sleeping, trying to get over her migraine, and I've just kind of been trying to catch up on video editing and whatnot. But super nice ride in today. The mountains were epic. It was nice to be back up in the mountains. Beautiful views, little dusty dirt roads. It seems like they're trying to make a big major road through this area, connecting the two Vietnamese border roads. So that was interesting. I didn't expect that. I honestly thought we were going to be on a pretty small dirt track the whole way, but it wasn't. It wasn't like that. And we saw plenty of little storage houses and things made with bombs, but I haven't really seen too many remnants from the Ho Chi Minh Trail yet. Just the bombs, which we expected. It's kind of all over Laos. It's a shame, really. I was just telling Sophie, it's kind of, I don't even know really how to describe it, but it's a shame that like these bombs were once dropped on all these people when they weren't even really involved in the war, and now they're using these bombs to like decorate their guest houses and in front of their houses and stuff. Like some of them are flower pots, but some of them are like just put up and repainted, and they even written USA on them from some of the houses that we passed. And like here in our guest house, there's a top of a tank, like a turret from a tank. But it's been interesting. It's a shame we didn't get to go explore a little bit more, but it's fine. Tomorrow we're still another 2 days on the Ho Chi Minh Trail. Tomorrow we're gonna ride to a place called Villa Buli. So see, it's only like 100 kilometers, so we'll get a little chance to explore. Maybe if we get up early enough, we can ride out to that like hair in my face, right out to the bamboo bridge, and then come back up and go to the next town. There's something I was going to talk about. I don't remember.
If you don't believe that in yourself, well, you won't find more than a drop of a place. But if you don't believe